You can land a remote job in the next 6 weeks, even with zero skill and experience. All you need is a plan, and this video is that plan, so better don't scroll. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica Zowilby, and on this channel I share valuable information for people who want to level up in their career, find purpose, and for those who want to transition to the NGO, tech, or remote working landscape. I share valuable tips and resources on how to work around that. So if this is what you're interested in, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, let me know in the comments so I can celebrate you, because you are now in the best days of your career. If you want to get a remote job and you've been wondering where to start, this video is exactly what you need to land a remote job in the next 6 weeks. I'll be breaking down a 6-week practical roadmap that's going to take you from confusion to clarity, and from having no skill or experience to confidently applying for remote jobs and getting them. Week 1. Choose a beginner-friendly digital skill and start learning. This week is about finding direction. There are many digital skills, but I want you to think about it this way. There are many things that you like to do that can be turned into a skill for remote work. If you like organizing, you can learn skill in project support, admin, or virtual assistance. If you like social media or marketing or sales, you can get skill in social media management, digital marketing, sales support. If you like writing, you can get skills in email writing, email support, email marketing, copywriting, technical writing, medical writing, or anything writing. If you are good in supporting and managing people, you can get skill in customer support, live chat support, and other skills in that area. You can get these skills with their certifications from platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Google Career Certifications, Udemy, Allison, Coursera, and many other online platforms that offer these courses. Spend 1 to 2 hours every day learning the basics of these skills in the first week. Week 2, practice, master tools, and start building a portfolio. Remote jobs require you to be competent at using certain tools. Now, depending on the skill you picked and started learning about in week 1, you will start practicing with the tools for that skill. There are some skills that will require Google Sheets, Google Workspace, Asana, Trello, Slack, and many other tools. So if you need to download those tools and start practicing with them. You can create mock tasks and start working on those tasks. ChatGPT can also help you. Go on ChatGPT, tell it about the skill you are learning, and then ask it to give you tasks based on those skills so that you can practice. Another very important thing to do to not just help you practice but to start building your portfolio is to look around your circle. You will find people who have jobs or who are doing things that require support with the skills you've started learning about. Now, reach out to them and tell them that you would like to support them for free. Remember, you're building a portfolio. Support them to do this task, and it will help you build your portfolio while you are also practicing. So you don't have to beat yourself with, I don't have experience. You've started gathering experience. You can use Canva, Notion, or even Google Docs to build a portfolio for yourself. Now, Canva will show you different samples of different portfolios. You can also research online for samples, and then you can use that to work on your own portfolio. You can do this task for 2 to 3 people, so you already have 3 experiences on your portfolio. You've built confidence and proof of skill. Now, let's get to week 3. Week 3, it's now time to showcase your value. Now, you fix your resume, your LinkedIn, and professional visibility. Make sure that your resume is updated and it is also tailored to pass an applicant tracking system. Now, this is a system that is set up to track applications so that they can appeal to the job description that is being advertised. I have made a video solely on how you can fix this in your resume, and you can find the video here. The next thing is to update your LinkedIn. Update your bio to capture what you are aspiring to be. Say aspiring virtual assistant, admin support, Google Workspace, and the rest of that. Also include your skill and qualifications in your LinkedIn profile. I also have another video highlighting how to fix your LinkedIn. You can find it here as well. But I will also include it in the description of this video so you don't miss it. You can also start posting about the skills that you've been acquiring. Week 4, start applying, and apply smartly. Don't apply for every job. First of all, apply for beginner roles. You are still a beginner. Don't go and start applying for roles that you do not have the skill for. Apply for beginner roles. Apply for roles that fit you, not just because it's a role that's being advertised. You just send your CV. No. Now, there are different platforms where you can find remote jobs. One of them is LinkedIn. There are many other ones like Working Nomads. I have videos I have shared where to find remote jobs. I will add them in the description. Also, I have a WhatsApp platform where I share remote opportunities, NGO job opportunities, and other resources. So if you want to be part of that platform, I will also include the link in the comments as well so that you can click and join us. Because you want to land a job as soon as possible, apply to at least 5 jobs per day. Yes, 5 jobs per day. The job market is highly competitive, so you need to increase your options so you can have more people that are seeing your CVs and applications and reaching out to you. Make sure that your CV and your cover letter are tailored to suit the role that you're applying to. Don't go and apply for a role as a graphic designer with the CV and cover letter of a virtual assistant. You will not be called for interviews. So make sure that your CV and cover letters and your portfolio appeal to the role that you're applying to. How you can tailor this, I also have this in a video that I will include in the description or up here. Also have a tracking sheet for the jobs you've applied to, so you know how many you've applied to, how many have reached back to you, how many you've been scheduled for an interview, how many rejected you. So you can also see a pattern. If there are any mistakes you've made in the past, you can correct them in the next application. Week 5, start networking. Many remote jobs are filled by connections. Remember, in week 3, I had said you should start posting about the skills you're acquiring and your work. Now, as you're applying, go on LinkedIn, go on other social media platforms, look out for reputable companies that you would love to work with, connect with them, follow these companies, follow these recruiters, search the column for people in a particular company. You'll see the people that work there, connect with them, send them a mail or a DM politely and well structured, telling them how much you admire their work and the skills you've been acquiring and the fact that you would love to work with them if there are any openings. ChatGPT can give you a sample of how you can write this code DM, and then you can work on it, personalize it before sending to these people. Don't just go and copy and paste from AI. They are going to find out about that, and they will either not respond to you or they are going to block you. Also increase your visibility by posting at least twice a week on LinkedIn, and then you can also join some career groups. Now, week 6, start preparing for interviews and negotiations. It is very important to prepare yourself for these interviews. You can watch videos online on how to prepare for interviews. You can also find such videos on my YouTube channel. Then also research the job market. Research how much people in your chosen field are paid, especially for beginners. Do mock interview sessions with a friend. You can ask ChatGPT to generate questions for you for your field, and you can practice with that. There are many questions you should learn about: how to introduce yourself, why should we hire you for this role, what will you like to be paid, what are your skills and experience. These are things that you should practice to answer. Why do you want to work remotely? They will ask you if you've worked remotely before. Remember, you built portfolio in week 2, so you will use those as examples. They will ask you how you encountered a challenge before and how you were able to solve that challenge at work. So these are the things to practice about. If there's nobody, record yourself answering these questions, watch it later, see where you have flaws and correct yourself. Build confidence before the interview. And don't be afraid to negotiate what you want to receive as salary. But one thing I would say is don't be greedy. You are a beginner, so don't expect to immediately start landing very juicy opportunities like someone who has been working remotely for the past 5 years and have many skills. If you follow this 6 weeks plan, you will have a skill, you will have experience, you will have a portfolio, you will have visibility on LinkedIn and networks, you will have applications you've sent out and interviews coming in. You will have also built the confidence that is required to interview for these roles and land them. So in these 6 weeks, you are on track, and I bet you will already be interviewing for jobs and will soon land one. So tell me in the comments which skill you are going to be learning first. If you found this video valuable, help me reach the millions of people that need to watch this video as well. Kindly hit the like button, leave me a comment with your thoughts. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and share this video with a friend or two. Thank you so much for watching. You are not too small to do big things. See you on the next video.